Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Godox LR150 LED ring light. This is the box that it comes in. There is almost no information outside the fact that it's written LR150 over here. It says, I'll give you a closer look. There you go. It says, suitable for wide occasions, example live stream, video, makeup, product shooting, etc. Items included, light body into one, adapter, power cable, smartphone holder. That's all the information we have on the box. Oh, it also comes with 1 year of warranty. There you go. That's all the information we have on the box. Let's open it and show you what's inside. Right on top we have some documents. We have instruction manual for the LR150. There you go. This is from Godox, an instruction manual. Everything that you want to know you'll find here, including technical data. Let me just read out the technical data. Okay, this particular LED ring light comes with DC power supply, 24 volts of DC power supply. Comes with USB power output as well. It has 38 watt power and it can also shift between 3000 Kelvin to 6000 Kelvins of color temperatures. It comes with a luminance of 1400 and anything else. That's more or less it. It also gives you a lot of tips on power management, how to maintain it, how to clean, etc. A lot of information. It's a very important document. You should keep it safe. Okay, this is the warranty card from Godox, also an important document. And this is a photo lighting solution document from Godox. This basically lists the other products available for when you want to do photo lighting or photography of any kind. So this is a QC pass from Godox. As you can see, this is what you find inside the box. This is the LED ring light in question, the main component. You have a knob for colors and this is your on, off and brightness button, as you can see. And the tripod mount that will fix to this LED light will go in over here. Anything at the back? Nothing really. Over here you have a port for your power cable and a USB-A port, as you can see over here. Now let's take a look what's inside these boxes. This is a power adapter for this particular light. Let me just show you the power adapter first. There you go. This is the power adapter for this light. And you also have power cable. There you go. So this is the power adapter and the power cable. Let's quickly see what this is. Alright. So this is a Gorilla mount for a smartphone. There you go. This is a smartphone mount. This is the smartphone holder. You just have to loosen it just a little bit. There you go. This is a smartphone holder, and this also comes with this Gorilla Pod neck over here. This you can attach right away. Let's just do that. Let me just quickly show you how this is attached. It's pretty simple actually. Look at this bolt over here. All you have to do is make sure that this goes in one of these bolts. You can choose either of these bolts, but let's pick the one at the center for convenience. As you notice, there are 3 bolts here, so you can pick either one of them. For convenience, we are picking the one at the center. There you go. Now let's attach this light to a power source and see how this actually looks like. So the power cable goes inside the power adapter just like that. There you go. Now I'll attach this to a power source which is off screen. It's in now, and this part, this is the power cable basically. This will go in at the back, I think. Yeah, over here. There you go, right over here. Just trying to switch this on. There you go, it works perfectly. I will switch off one of my studio lights for the purpose of this video so you can see what this actually looks like. There you go. This is what it looks like. I'm increasing the brightness right now. This is right now at full brightness. I'm going to lower the brightness. There you go. And now you can now switch it off. Let's get a steady brightness over here. Now let's check out the color. This is the knob that you use to control color. So if I twirl it around, I will get a warm tone. This is basically your 3000 Kelvin, and when you go up like so, you get your much cooler tone. This is your 6000 Kelvin, and somewhere in between you get a mixture of both. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Godox LR150 LED ring light. Thank you for watching.